Welcome to the instructions video for the Shielding Thickness Gamma Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you determine the exact thickness of shielding material needed to reduce gamma radiation to safe levels using exponential attenuation principles and mass attenuation coefficients. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter several key parameters. First, input the initial radiation intensity, which is the unshielded gamma ray level at your source. Next, enter your desired transmitted intensity, which is the safe level you want to achieve after shielding. Then specify the mass attenuation coefficient for your chosen shielding material, typically measured in square centimeters per gram. You'll also need to enter the density of your shielding material in grams per cubic centimeter. For example, lead has a density of about 11.34 grams per cubic centimeter. Once you've entered all your values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display the required shielding thickness needed to achieve your target radiation reduction, along with the attenuation factor. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.